So these are nettles.
Yes.
This is the same as the stinging nettles. Am I right?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
like that.
I told you you need a technique.
So I just pick it like that?
Yeah.
Like that?
And only the upper two rows.
Oh, only the upper ones, okay.
No, that's
Is that good?
because if you first you burn
Yeah.
like burns like hell when you go deeper.
Yeah, okay.
These are the younger.
Okay. So the first procedure you said is you just put it in water.
I can.
Oh, you just wash it?
Yeah.
But I mean, that's still stinging over it. You do something. You don't use your hands, okay? Of course. That's not too difficult. And then it's going to go into hot water. You leave it in the water for the insects to come out.
We wait and then maybe there swim a few ants
Some ants.
and flies or something. But it's no joke.
I just want to tell everybody the tradition again. So this is Gründonnerstag.
Gründonnerstag.
Gründonnerstag. And it's because of the spring, and Christa tells me there's some controversy every year about whether it's got to do with tears.
With crying.
Crying, because of just before Easter.
Look.
Okay, so
that will take now the.
it's going to take the sting away.
Yes, the hot water.
And this is something even into northern Germany that they do.
Yes.
You eat something green.
Yes. This would be actually tea you can drink as well.
Really?
Yes. But we don't drink it, we eat it. It gets a lighter color.
Okay.
And then that just do not stitch anymore.
Does the thorn
I think it softens.
softens?
Yes.
Softens, yeah. And then you can eat it, but in your stomach it becomes hard again, and then it stings your intestines. So the water's out now. Is this going in here now?
No, wait. Now
There's some oil, butter and oil. So you want, is the onions for this?
Yes.
Man. So the onions gets fried a little bit, and then the green goes in here.
First I clean it from the stängel.
Oh, you take the leaves off the stingel.
Yeah.
Here as well. Knoffel goes into everything. This will become goldish brown. And there the knoffel comes. So now the stingel is being removed.
The soft ones can stay, but
The soft one stays.
that's
Okay.
why we take only the young plants.
Okay, yeah.
young
The
parts.
young parts, I'm with you. And of course there's a rule that this must be consumed with red wine. Or the preparation must include a little bit of red wine. That just makes the precision of the cutting more precise. So now the leaves are being chopped.
We roast it as well, a little bit.
Do you roast it?
Wait, here it comes. I roast it now a little. When all are in, then I roast it for a few, maybe 1 minute, not long.
Oh, okay.
Then I actually cook it a little bit.
Oh, then that water goes in here.
Yes, because this is too tough to eat. You can't eat it like that.
Oh, okay. You want to soften it a little bit.
A little. Maybe it's too early.
No, I can already smell this. It's a particular smell that's developing. So the water from the final rinse is strained.
We need maybe even a little bit more water. Less.
You can't now put wine in, for example. That would not work.
White wine maybe?
White wine maybe, yeah. Okay. Otherwise, it's going to interfere with the greenness
No,
of
it
the.
would be. It has a very strong taste on its own.
Really,
If
yeah.
you then put red wine into it,
It would
then
be too powerful.
I think so.
Overpowered. So this 10-15 minutes, you leave it on boiling now. So South African Afrikaans guy will say cooking. You leave it cooking now.
We say cooking as well. We never boil.
No, boiling is
Only cooking.
boiling is an English word.
Now the smell comes.
Yeah. That is, I can smell that. That is delicious.
It's really delicious.
Yeah, it really is
You
delicious.
Actually, if it wasn't only for that, they have a little kind of addiction to it.
Oh, really,
I think it's very healthy as well.
It's being stirred with a certain sense of vigorousness. Did you add some of this?
Yes.
Industrial sauce. Into the
Yes.
potato.
Yes.
Okay.
Milk, butter, and salt.
Milk, butter, and salt. And what about this? Is this still?
No, that comes next.
That comes next, okay?
But I let it rest a little bit because it's stuff anyway.
Okay, you rested a bit,
We
huh?
play now the game. And
Okay, I need to now beat
but
you.
it's gonna be finished.
Müller, I need to beat you now on this. Right here. Eggs. So, potatoes. What do you call this? Your nettle soup.
Brennnesselspinat.
That word. And kartoffelen. Kartoffel.
Kartoffelpüree.
Kartoffelpuree.
Erdäpfelpüree.
And
Leberkäse.
leberkäse.
Oh, this is way too quick.
Stunning, man. Stunning, 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 stunning.
I'm only cooking with the knife.
Yeah. I know it's superior Austrian method here.
Like Sigma East, I cook like a woodworker.
The leberkäse goes in the käse. Goes in the oven. The eggs are coming along nicely.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little air. Okay. The potatoes are perfect. So there's more leberkäse coming. This is still where it should be. This is where it should be, and the eggs are sitting over there resting. All's well that begins well. Now for the grand finale of the nettles. Are you going to puree them?
Yes, and then you actually get pepper.
Oh, you need some pepper.
Yeah.
Okay. All good, all good. Eggs over there, all good. A little bit of pepper added.
Now it really needs something.
Then you need something, all right? Shall I plug this in for you?
Yes,
Okay.
cold water, not warm,
Cold water,
and a little bit of, what was it?
a little bit of starch.
Yeah, a little bit of flour.
Or flour.
Meal.
Meal
I
flour.
would prefer to say meal because
Yeah, meal flour, yeah. We call it meal as well.
I don't know the
Yeah, I don't-
pronunciation. How do you say meal and how do you say flour?
We say meal.
Here comes the binding.
And that goes in here,
Yes.
okay?
And sour cream.
Okay?
Oh, nothing happened.
A little bit of milk for the, okay?
For the dried out.
Yeah.
Must not be that
It mustn't be dry.
that dry and sticky. A
I'm with
little
you,
bit
yeah.
more soft.
Yeah, I'm
What did you say then?
Yeah, I was just saying, my goodness. What a fun. Add it. Perfect. Okay. Mix that in, and then the purification comes. The
Yes.
purification. Of
Not
course,
again.
liver caster is being turned. Stunning.
And now a little water.
Okay. Sizzling away.
No, stay, please.
You want it a little bit less, okay? And then purifying it. Purification.
Actually, you can do it in 3 ways. You can make the puree first,
Yeah.
and then put in the starch. Then
Okay.
it's closed
Okay.
green substance.
Yeah.
So it sticks like with a little.
Yes.
Or you can even have the nettles with the whole potatoes
I'm with you.
in one.
Yes. Just a little bit.
That's much. That's enough.
Yeah, it's powerful. And the Indians love this. In their cuisine, it's everywhere. So Anil's a big lover of this. He tells me all the medicinal values.
Oh, it has that.
Lots.
At least it tastes really good.
The egg is warming up now on the courtesy of the potatoes. Stunning. Everything is right here together. Brilliant. Unbelievable. A little bit more salt, a little bit more pepper, and before you know it, it is absolutely perfect. So this is from yesterday's braai, and this is from today's magic, which is coming together now with beer, of course. Magic.
And more magic, but
all this magical happenings. And that is from yesterday's braai, and that is the magic of today. With beer and water and magicness.